Are you interested in conferring with other medical professionals to determine the type and method of anesthetic or sedation to render patients insensible to pain? Then a career as an operation theatre and anesthesia technologist should be right for you. Then you should consider a career in operation theatre and anesthesia technologist. Hi, I am Jatin Dev Bhatia. Welcome to eMango. Come on, let's find out how you can become an operation theatre and anesthesia technologist. The operation theatre and anesthesia technologists are responsible for direct and indirect patient care, setting up of equipment and operation procedures. They assist surgeons during the procedures and are responsible for completing other assigned functions. If you want to be an operation theatre and anesthesia technologist, then take up science stream with physics, chemistry and biology after class 10 and pursue bachelor degree in operation theatre and anesthesia technologist after class 12. You might need to sit for entrance exams in India like JEE Mains. University entrance exam may be required. For overseas, you will need to sit in exams like TOEFL, accepted by USA, Europe, Australia, Canada, IELTS, academic, accepted worldwide, PTE, SAT. Entrance exams are highly competitive, so yes, you need to prepare well. Some of the colleges or universities in India offering the course are Chandigarh University, Government Medical College Amritsar, NIMS University, Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. Course fee in India for such colleges approximately 3,000 to 49,000 in government universities and approximately 20,000 to 3 lakh in private colleges. Foreign universities like Angela Ruskin University, University of Bedfordshire and many more offer good course in this field. Course fee across globe is in USA $15,000 to $50,000, in Australia 18,000 Australian dollar to 55,000 Australian dollar. If you are investigative and social and possesses skills such as active listening, critical thinking, learning strategies, monitoring, then we strongly suggest this career. Salary in India approximately 2 lakh to 8 lakh depending on the amount of experience you gain. Salaries across globe in USA $25,000 to $1 lakh. In Canada, 30,000 Canadian dollar to 1.5 lakh Canadian dollar. Did you find the information useful? We can help you with much more. We at eMango understand that your career will be best fit for you only when it suits your personality and interest. After a short assessment, we will create for you an end-to-end part design of the right career, help in knowing about various entrance exams. We take you from form filling to the place you will apply for college. Make your career with eMango. Let's go.